Hello beautifuls, welcome to my video. So I am at the Onomo hotel and this is just gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous space. So I think this is the bedroom. Ooh, a lot. I like the bed. It's just a cute African feel, you know. Oh wow. Oh, I like the fact that there's a screen in the living room and there's a screen here in the bedroom too. Okay, and let's check out the bathroom. Okay, oh, I like this look. It's pretty. Yeah. So let's check out the shower. Oh, it's so clean. I love it. It's pretty. This is a cute rug. Ooh. I like this. It's a cute touch of Africa. I like the shower cap. It's pretty. It's like all the essentials, you know. Hello. Hi guys, welcome to my